Welcome to Let's Revise with Prathamesh. Today we will learn some birds' name. Owl, duck. Its sound is quack quack. Penguin, parrot. Friends, this bird can mimic humans. Ostrich. Friends, it is the largest bird in the world. Crow. Its sound is caw, caw. Sparrow. It is an endangered species bird. Falcon. It is a bird of prey. Hen. Eagle. Friends, this is also a bird of prey. Swan. It lives in water. Pigeon. Friends, this bird never sits on trees. Vulture. It is also a bird of prey. Seagull. This bird catches fish in the sea. Turkey. Woodpecker. Friends, this bird pecks at tree trunks to find insects and to eat it. Hummingbird. Friends, this is the smallest bird in the world. Subscribe, like, share and comment my YouTube channel. Bye bye.